Welcome to Honeymood Meditations. My name is Jimmy, and I'll be leading you in a check-in meditation. You can use this guided meditation before or after your yoga and meditation practices. When you're ready, take a few moments and find a comfortable seated position, in a chair or on a cushion on the ground. And allow your eyes to close or cast your gaze downwards a few feet in front of you. And breathe through your nose and take a few deep breaths. Now feel your body sitting and trace the surfaces of the body that make contact with the ground. Allow yourself to feel the weight of your bones. And as we settle more into the room, allow your sense doors to be open, receiving sights, lightness or darkness filtering through the eyelids, the sounds inside the room, outside the room, smells coming in through your nostrils, and any tastes you sense in your mouth. And touch the temperature of the air on your skin, the weight of the clothing. These sensations bring us to the present moment, what's happening in the body now. And when our mind wanders away from these senses, you can gently come back to them. Notice how the body is feeling right now. And without feeling the need to like it or not like it, just notice. If it helps, you can name it, like tingling, pressure, warmth, coolness, and then come back to the breath. Now, notice the mood of your heart. What's the landscape of your emotional body right now? And without feeling the need to change anything, just notice and be curious. And bring awareness to your mind. What's the landscape of the mind right now? Is it scattered, spacious, crowded, clear? Whatever is there, let it be there. And now bring your attention to your breath. How is the breath? Does it feel cool, hot, heavy, light? Where do you feel the breath? Maybe in your nostrils, you may notice the temperature of your inhalations and exhalations. Or in your chest and ribs expanding and contracting. Or possibly in your belly rising and falling. Let your breath be normal. Don't try to change it. And when you're ready, you can slowly and gently lengthen your inhalations and exhalations. And may the benefits of this practice bring ease, peace, and freedom from suffering to you and your day and to all. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes.